everyone, I am Anubhuti Turkar from class 11 from Siddhivinayak Education Institute. Today I am going to tell you about cell cycle and cell division's topic, phases of cell cycle. Every organism starts their life from a single cell. Each parent divides and gives rise to daughter cells, and daughter cells give rise to another set of daughter cells, and thus population increases. Growth and reproduction are characteristics of everyone's life. What is cell cycle? Cell cycle is nothing but sequence of events in which cell grows and synthesizes its components. This is termed as cell cycle. Cell cycle has two phases, interphase and M phase. Interphase itself has three phases, which is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. G1 phase is termed as growth phase. Here cells are metabolically active. Here proteins are also synthesized along with getting ready for synthesis phase, which is S phase. S phase is also known as synthesized phase. Here DNA is synthesized along with centriole and DNA being duplicated. Even though DNA and centriole are duplicated, number of chromosomes always remain same. Histone protein is also made in S phase. Next, cell goes through G2 phase, where tubulin protein is synthesized. And ATP along with ATP production, which is nothing but energy production. Next, it goes through M phase, which is the shortest phase of the cell cycle. Interphase takes about 95% of the cell cycle, whereas M phase only takes about 5%. M phase is also known as mitosis phase, which is also equational division phase. In M phase, first cell goes to nuclear division, which is termed as cytokinesis. First, it goes through nuclear division, termed as karyokinesis. Next, it gets corresponding with daughter cells being separated. Then it ends with cytoplasmic division, which is known as cytokinesis. And humans only takes 24 hours to divide their cells, in which 23 hours is taken by interphase, which is from G1 phase to complete G2 phase. This is all interphased, whereas this part is known as M phase. In humans, when we take 24 hours, 23 hours is taken by interphase and 1 hour is taken by M phase. But in yeast, it only takes 90 minutes to cell to divide. In G1 phase, n is equals to 2n, whereas C is equals to 2C. Later, when cell goes through S phase, n is equals to 2n and C is equals to 4C. And when it goes to G2 phase, it remains same, n is equals to 2n and C is equals to 4C. But at the initial stage of M phase, the n remains 2n and 4C, but at the end of M phase, it becomes 2n and 2C. What is n? N is nothing but number of chromosomes, whereas C is copies of chromosome. Thank you.